All right, welcome back. For you, it's been a day. For me, it's been minutes. Welcome back. We are continuing with topic 14, units of length, measurement, capacity, all that good stuff. So, our topic, measurement, units, and conversion. Today's lesson, 14-2, using customary units of capacity. Okay, how much liquid something can hold, an object can hold. Okay, so like yesterday, we have our keywords over here. Again, customary units, those are United States units or us. Length, how long, weight, how heavy, capacity, how much liquid. This is our guide today right here. And then these are the 4 units of capacity we're going to be using in this lesson, okay? The first of which is a cup, which is approximately, no, not approximately, it is 8 ounces. This cup is approximately 8 ounces. So it is a small cup, not a lot. Your basic water bottle has just over 2 cups inside of it. Okay? Small cup. Okay, so that's a cup. We're going to use that as our smallest unit of capacity today. It's not the smallest unit, that's what we're going to use. Okay? A pint. A pint is abbreviated as PT, and that equals 2 cups. Okay, so once again, our water bottle is slightly over 2 cups and it is slightly over 1 pint. All right, if you could see right there, it is 1 pint, 0.9 ounces, or 16.9 ounces, which is 2 cups and 0.9 ounces. Okay, 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 quart. What's the root word on this one? Quart. Say it out loud. Yes. Quarter or 4. Okay, so 1 quart is 4 cups or 2 pints. Okay, and once again, it is pint. Please say pint, not pint. So a quart is, that's not right. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. 2 pints, 4 cups. Okay? And then lastly, our largest unit we're looking at today is a gallon. And a gallon is 16 cups, 4 quarts. That's why it's called a quart, because 4 of them make a gallon. And 8 pints. Okay, so those are the units we're going to be using. I'd like you to stop the video for a moment, pause it, and copy down this chart on whatever you're taking notes on. Okay? Copy that down, pause it. I'll go over it in a minute. All right, great. So this is a breakdown of how these units fit together. Okay? Well, that looks familiar, doesn't it? What does it look like to you? Yep, you're right. Fraction tiles. Okay, you thought we were done with them. We're never done with them. Fraction tiles. So if the gallon is our whole, what are the fractions of each unit? Well, quarts, that is 1/4 of a gallon. Pints, each pint is 1/8 of a gallon, and cups is 1/16 of a gallon. Okay, so on your notes, if you're copying this down, and I recommend you do, I would like you to maybe list one thing that you could measure with each of these units. Okay, gallon, that's an easy one, I'll give you that one. Milk. Okay, what about quarts though? What could you measure in quarts? What could you measure with pints? What could you measure with cups in your house? Okay, if you want to pause the video, take some time, think about it, go look. That'd be cool. Do that. Otherwise, we're keeping on trucking, okay? So these are our units, okay? Now, you don't have to go from one to the other one at a time. You can go right from pints to gallons, cups to quarts, cups to gallons, whatever. For example, if I have 3 quarts, 3 QTs, 3 quarts equals how many cups. What would I do? Okay, well, look at my quart, and how many cups are in each quart? 4 cups. So I would do 3 quarts times 4 cups equals 12 cups. Okay, and we can count that too. All right, so 1 quart, 2 quart, 3 quart, that's what I had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And boom goes the dynamite right there, okay? So the reason I had you draw that chart is because you can just count like we do the fraction tiles, but you can also do that math when converting back and forth, okay? And fortunately, the math is simple in this one. It's not like 3-digit by 3-digit. It's 1 by 1, 1 by 2 at most. Okay, that is going from a larger unit to a smaller unit. Now I'm going to go from a smaller unit to a larger unit, okay? If I multiply going from larger to smaller, I'm going to do the opposite, going from smaller to larger. So I'm going to divide. Erase this. So if I'm going from pints to gallons, let's say I have 12 pints, because that's a number we're using. Okay, 12 pints equals how many gallons? Okay, well, first, how many pints are in a gallon? 8. Okay, cool. So I would do 12 divided by 8, or, remember that? Remember all this stuff? Okay, or, improper fraction, however you want to convert this, but you're going to get 1 and 4/8, or 1 and 1/2. Okay, because I go through 8 pints, and then I add 4 more, which is half of a gallon. Okay. So let me write that up here. If you want to pause it and copy that, go ahead. So if you're going from large to small, if you're converting in between units, okay, you are going to multiply, right? And that makes sense because you're going to have more small units than you will large units. If you're going from small to large, you will divide, all right? So the place you're going to find most of this stuff is in my favorite place in the world, the kitchen. My recommendation for you, mom, dad, grandma, aunt, uncle, whomever you're with, help out, do some converting, and bake them something. Okay? If you bake it, take a picture, share it on the class website.